When you've got heavy-duty debris that needs to be cleaned up, you need a heavy-duty broom for the job. So check out this week's feature product, the Rail Switch Broom from Felton Brushes. Made right here in Canada at their Hamilton factory, this broom was initially designed for railway workers to keep tracks clear of potentially dangerous objects. Using a polypropylene fiber for the bristles made this broom strong enough to sweep away rocks, metals, and anything else that could be found in a train yard. The broom was so strong that it caught the attention of truck drivers and oilfield workers, who use it to keep their flat decks and truck beds free of debris before heading off to their next destination. And once winter comes around, it's an easy way to sweep off the last bit of snow where a shovel couldn't reach. There's even a chisel fitted to the back side of the handle to break apart any ice or caked on mud. So if ordinary brooms can't handle the cleanup in front of them, get a sweeper with a little more strength. Thanks to Canada's very own Felton Brushes Rail Switch Broom. What do you use to sweep away rocks and debris? Let me know in the comments. And be sure to check back to the channel regularly for more great products. See you next time!